Hey, what's up guys? 65 Locs here, back with another video, following up with the 1947 Buick Series 41 Special by Iceman Collections. So I went ahead and cleaned it up, did a lot of sanding, and I hit it with some primer. This is the Tamiya surface primer in gray. And one of the differences I've noticed from the 3D printing body compared to like a resin body, and this one, it does require a lot more sanding. You do need to smoothen out the areas. I went through a couple of sanding sessions, and I mean, I'm getting ready to do another one. I'm shaving off the emblem, but you see the back there, how it looks like a little bump. I need to use like a sponge, sanding sponge, so this way, you know, I can flatten it. I know I can use like a file or something, but it might be too much that, you know, I could end up even flattening a different portion of the car. But that's what I like about this primer. It starts to show you the flaws or little areas where you might have missed. But I definitely am gonna get that smooth because it had an emblem back there, but I just like how, you know, a more of a clean look, not to have it too busy with too much stuff. There's other areas as well that I ended up removing emblems, and also, let's just say for example, like on this hood, that center line there, if I want to take that off, you know, I probably will, but it just depends. I gotta, as I go, see what kind of trims I'm gonna leave with the chrome. And I also deepen the panel lines. I have a 0.1 millimeter scriber that I use, and it fits really great in there, and I'm able to just scribe in the lines, deepen them, make them look a lot cleaner. But there is times where you are gonna run into problems. If you can see there on top of the hood, I did scratch it there. It's easy to correct. I mean, you have a couple options. You can either add a little amount of glue and just sand it down. But if not, you can deepen down your line and then just come and just sand it down, you know, either with like a 240 grit or even a 120 grit. Really lightly though, don't go too heavy on it. But yeah, those are all little minor things that need to be corrected. And let's see here, if you guys can see there on the skirt, those little wavy lines, those are areas that you will find in certain places around the body that you do have to sand. So that's something that I'm definitely have to get in there. Take my time, put in the work, get that sanded down. See that the door there, you see another line, that'll later be corrected. So those are all things that, you know, they're there, but it's nothing to panic or freak out. It's just part of the game, you know. You just start doing one thing at a time, and then little by little things start to come all together, you know. Once I get it completed to the stage where I want it, then, you know, you can follow it up with the mock-up stages. And it's crazy because the more I scribe these doors, the more I'm tempted to open them, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing it just because, you know, it's a curbside. Not all the pieces are there for this kit, unless, you know, if you scratch build and create. I'll check that out right there. Plug for Iceman Collections. I like that he did that. He put his name in there. It's pretty dope. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys where it's at right now. Still a lot more work to go. I think there's some little wavy lines here in the front too. I don't know if it focuses, but oh, you can see it right there, right behind the emblem, right there. But nothing to panic over about. It's pretty cool. But yeah, so I got my surface primer there, ready to go. I have my little case here from DSPIAE. Put my scale writer sticker on there. Got my sanding pads and other tools in there, and just a case, you know. So I'm gonna be working on this soon, sanding it some more, getting rid of those little wavy lines, washing it, reprimering it, and just getting it more smoother and smoother as I go. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And also, if you guys have any questions regarding tools, hit me up. We do have a web store, scalewriters.com, and I'll also put a link on the description, the website. But then also, I get a lot of people asking me about the scriber. I know we're running low on those, but we will be getting some more. But those are great for scribing the doors.